Matthew. This is my 2011 Subaru STI. We're rocking a IAG Stage 4 Extreme block with a Manley billet crank, Manley extreme duty pistons, Manley tri-beam rods. Got IAG Stage 5 heads, Kelper 280 Stage 3 cams, Manley valves, Manley springs. All the machine work was done at IAG. Long block was put together. Got 14mm head studs with the IAG Firelock head gaskets. Car's been running for about 3,000 miles with this setup, about 50 passes as of right now. For the turbo, it's got a 6870 T4 .96 open housing. ETS has got a 4-inch intercooler. We're running a process-less manifold rotated with 2.5-inch piping. It's got a boom throttle body. That's pretty much it for the engine. The fuel system, we got a radium surge tank with triple 450s, 450 in tank, 10 AN, 8 AN return, 2000 cc injectors, radium rails. We're running a 4 Innovations fuel pump regulator. Drivetrain's the stock STI 6-speed out of 2015. We're running stage 4 DSS axles, carbon fiber drive shaft, stock output shaft, stock rear diff. Running some Team Basic coils. For brakes, we're just running stock STI 4-pot, 2-pot, gyro disc, 2-piece floating rotors. Let's try to save some weight. It's a street car. We took out AC, fully gutted inside though. It's roughly 2,900 pounds without me in it. Carbon fiber Tillet B5 seat. It's tuned by JR at Machine Guns Wild Dyno down in Miami. It's running a stock ECU with a tuned by Cobb. Made 867 at 39 psi on the dyno. At the track, we're running about 45 psi, a little over around 900, a little over 900 if we had to guesstimate. You never know. The first pass is second time ever launching the car at 900 horsepower. It took me 14 passes, 10-0, 10-0, 10-0, 10-0. Second time out, next time out, ran 999, then we went to 991, then down to 973 now at 142. Today, best pass, we made 3 passes. Best pass has been a 9.8 at 145. Other passes are a 999 and a 10.06 at 145 as well. Today it's extremely hot. It's got to be over 100 degrees. Coolant temps going up at the end of the pass.
All right, guys, we're out here Palm Beach International Raceway, track rental, using the TRC app here. See what's, whew, it's cooking out here. So you can see the condition, the DA, density altitude 2159, 86 degrees. Not the best conditions for these cars to run, but they're running hard still.
It's running a P&L comp triple disc clutch. Best 60 foot so far has been a 159 when we ran 973. On MH Racemaster slicks, 26-inch slicks on Rota 17-inch wheels. I've had the car for 6 years now. Right out of high school, I bought it. First new car I've ever bought. Back then, I was really into stance, low and slow. Made about 300 horsepower. Went to all the Wreckfest, everything. Then I put on a FP Green. We made about 400 horsepower. Never took it to the track. Street car. Then went from there straight to a 6870. I'm making about roughly 900, 880. shocks at the track on the old motor, completely catastrophic failure. Lifted both heads, bent the main bearings. Last motor, roughly the same setup. First pass, catastrophic failure. Bogged on the line, distorted the main, bent the wrist pins, blew both head gaskets. Set the motor back at the IEG. That's where we are now at the Stage 4 Extreme, fire ring head gaskets, Stage 5 heads. So only 1,500 miles right now, 500 braking miles. All the rest of the miles have been at the track. The car just goes trailer to the track, trailer home. So it's pretty much all track miles.